Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to harmonize this hymn, the Church's One Foundation, with the chord 1, 4, 5, and occasionally I will add the chord 6 and 2. So let's start with the first phrase. I will use chord 1141 to harmonize the melody. 1, 1, 4, 1. But when I want to play chord 4, I don't want to jump from here to here, but instead I will play the chord 4 like this. That's the second inversion. Okay, so it's 1, 1, 4, 1. Now if I add the right hand. Here's the first phrase. For my second phrase, I want to use chord 1, 3, and then 5, 1, 5. Again, for chord 3, usually it's 3, 5, 7. But to make it easier, I hold one position. I only need to move my little finger down from 1 to 7. So it's chord 3. And to move from 3 to 5, it's also very easy because I only need to change the middle note from 3 to 2. Therefore, it sounds like this. Okay? Now for my third phrase, I will use the chord 1, 4, 6, and 2. I usually avoid the minor chord like 6, 2, or 3, but it's quite nice to have a little bit emotion over here. For the last phrase, I'm going to use 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Okay. Please note that 5 is quite short. Personally, I usually try to avoid to add extra chord inside of the bar, but this is the last phrase and I want to end it with a perfect cadence, i.e. the chord 5 up to 1. Yeah. So to do this together. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Okay. So now we can put everything together. 1, chord 1, chord 4, and 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, 1, 4. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to add the pedalboard. Please follow my channel if you are interested.